This video takes you through the renovation process of Francis Hall. It is one of the oldest buildings on the Texas A&M University College Station campus. It is a reinforced concrete three-story building made of brick and cast stone exterior. The interiors of the 32,216 square foot building are going to be demolished while the historical exterior is retained. The interiors will be redesigned to suit the needs and requirements of the Department of Construction Science. It is surrounded by Evans Library on the south, Chemistry Building on the north, the Anthropology Building on its east, and Harrington Building to the west. To mitigate various issues like noise, dust, and vehicle transportation and safety of students, the site will be fenced. The fenced area will accommodate job trailers, dumpsters, and lay-down areas. Vehicles will be coordinated to transport materials, equipment during periods of minimal pedestrian traffic. Spence Street will be used as the primary route for transporting materials and equipment. The proposed floor plans allocate specific functions and distribute pedestrian traffic evenly across the floors. First floor would house the business and services section of the department, which includes IAC suite, MK, its help desk, cafeteria, and a student lounge. Second floor has a mixed use of administration and classrooms. It consists of computer stations, dim lab, and faculty offices. Third floor majorly consists of classrooms, faculty, and student lounges, along with conference and meeting rooms. It also houses an estimation lab. The site is initially prepared by clearing the area and fencing it. Before fencing, job trailers, dumpsters, and other equipment and machinery required are mobilized. Demolition of the building moves floor to floor from the bottom up. Lighting fixtures are removed first, and then the false ceilings, followed by doors. The interior walls are then demolished, followed by the removal of the leaky ducts. Floors are then prepared for asbestos abatement by sealing to avoid any leakage and to create the negative pressure to remove the unwanted asbestos and lead emissions. Demolition of the auditorium, which includes the second floor slab, the steps, and the columns supporting the slab, begins after the 3 floors have been cleared. The demolition phase lasts for 160 days with an average of 36 days on each floor. Like the demolition phase, the renovation phase also moves floor to floor from the bottom up. Renovation begins with constructing of steps for the new auditorium and ramps to meet the requirements. The structural steel to support the elevator is then installed. The process moves to installation of MLP rough ends, followed by construction of interior walls. The doors are then installed. Simultaneously, work on the MLP trim outs also begins. False ceilings are installed, followed by finishes of the floor and the walls. The renovation phase culminates with the installation of the elevator. This phase is 63 days long, with an average completion of about 40 days for each floor. After 7 months of work and a total investment of $5.1 million, Francis Hall would be ready to house the Department of Construction Science with spacious, state-of-the-art facilities and other amenities.